In this short video, I'm going to show you how to use the built-in datasets in R. There's going to be some datasets that we're going to have to import from an external file, and there are some that are already built into R that we can play around with. And the one that we're going to be using most often is the iris dataset. The iris dataset includes different types of flower measurements for 3 species of iris that occur in the eastern United States. So to get that data, it's really, really easy. It's already built into R. We just have to ask for it. And so what we want to do is we simply want to type data, which is the function to call data. And then within the brackets, we want to select iris. If you notice that a bunch of pop-ups came up and there's a bunch of different data that we can work with, but here we just want to work with iris. And so there it is, data, which is the function, and then within the parentheses, we want to type iris. We run that. We see that data iris ran properly without error. And on the top right, we have iris here. And if we click on that, it will open in the R console a bunch of columns, including sepal length, sepal width, petal length, and petal width. So those are our measurements of different parts of the flowers. And then we have our species name. And so sepal length, width, and petal length and width are all numeric, and they are measurements, so they are continuous data. And then we have species, and these are categorical variables. And there's 3 levels: Setosa, versicolor, and virginica. You may have already seen plots of this data in the YouTube videos that I've posted previously. Now that we have this imported, we can play around with the data and use it for analysis.